sun.
Yes.
It
Took us forever to shuttle.
probably the sun.
Yes.
Oh, there was a lightning strike there.
Is there a storm still on its way? What does Doppler say?
Hindi nalalabas, manang.
Wow, got that really far away from the lake.
Do you have access to Doppler right now, or do you know?
There's no internet, but it's looking good right now though.
There's thunder and lightning! There's thunder and lightning!
Do you have the chance of precipitation tonight?
40% chance.
Thunder, lightning,
You hear the thunder?
lightning!
Whoa!
Got that.
Dang.
Whoa!
What?
I missed it.
I just saw blink in the eye.
This is a thunderstorm here at DL Bliss State Park, Lake Tahoe, California. Scattered thunderstorms are possible from today and tomorrow. Flash flood advisory issued.
Show us the lightning. Where's the weather gone at?
Woo!
It's a cold drop.
Except a lot of us aren't here.
Yeah, they're in Paris.
They're in Paris now.
I was thinking about sushi.
Whoa.
Wow! That was a big one, guys.
No, how did this happen?
Whoa! Did you see that?
Oh, that's a big one too. Is it gonna rain tonight?
They said 30%.
Jasmine, like go over. She wants to.
Oh, did you? Do it again.
Nice.
It's gonna get steamy.
It's only 9:30.
Whoa.
Stop screaming.
Those bugs!
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Nevada County in Central California, Northeastern Placer County in Central California. This includes the cities of Squaw Valley, Tahoe City, Kings Beach, Alpine Meadows, West Central Carson City in Western Nevada, extreme Northwestern Douglas County in Western Nevada, extreme Southwestern Washoe County in Western Nevada. This includes the city of Incline Village until 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:13 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Squaw Valley and moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Locations affected include Crystal Bay, Incline Village, Kirkdale, Alpine Meadows, Tahoe City, Carnelian Bay and Kings Beach. Boaters and swimmers on or near Lake Tahoe should get out of the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle immediately. Don't be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. People who are on water are much more prone to being struck by deadly lightning. Strong and erratic winds can lead to boats capsizing.